Good day, everyone. It is June the 16th, 11:05, because I'm running late for my 11 o'clock appointment. I decided to vlog my trans experience, I guess you could say, in honor of Pride Month. It's something I've been trying to do for a little while now. But now I have my first appointment with my doctor today, and we're about to go and see what's in store, I guess. I've already been on and off hormones for about 3 years now, and I haven't really had any body changes too much. So I'm excited to talk to him about that and see what he can offer. Let's go. So I decided to trust Einstein with my care. This is my doctor's office. They checked me in nice and speedy quick. Then I was in the office talking to my doctor about all of my needs and wants. He and his staff made sure I felt extremely comfortable throughout the whole entire process. Can't wait to go back. When I say dream come true, that appointment was something that I couldn't have even guessed it would be. I had questions answered and directives given that I didn't even know was possible. Y'all, that doctor's appointment was amazing. I love my doctor. He listened to everything I had to say, and I felt like he truly heard what I was concerned about. And from those concerns, he upped my dosages of hormones. He was also very supportive of me wanting to get my facial feminization surgery, as well as my orchidiotomy down there. I feel seen. Like, my dreams are coming true. As someone who never thought that surgery was in their future or who can change their lives to be something more than what they were assigned, I feel like I may actually just become the woman that I'm meant to be. I feel happy that I have someone who's actually supportive of me and what I want to do. It's nice. I'm super excited to be starting on my injectable hormones, which I will show you how those work, and to continue on an increased dosage of testosterone blockers and some progesterone to get me some. So until next time, loves. See ya.